Hello and welcome to Lost Pines Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So today I'm going to give you an unsolicited, unsponsored review of the Mirka 550X random orbital sander. So I'm working on a rocking chair project that I got the plans for from Hal Taylor. And in his book, when we get to the first sanding part of the project, he highly recommends a Mirka sander. Well, I looked it up and saw the price tag and went, yeah, I don't think so. I'm not a production shop. I do custom work, but I'm not a production shop. So the expense seemed a little excessive. So I have struggled through using the standard DeWalt orbital sander, which for the most part did okay. But when I got to the final finish of the seat, which has both long grain and end grain, and some of the other components, it was a struggle. The transition from long grain to end grain on the seat, I ended up, abandoning the orbital sander, and I was back to doing it by hand. If I was only doing one chair, that would be fine, but I have 3 more of these to do. But I still, even at up to 800 grit, I still wasn't happy with the appearance of my sanding in that transition and on the end grain. And I'll show you here in a bit what it looks like. So first off, so I got this in the mail yesterday. Ordered it through Amazon. Good or bad, I don't know. But it was shipped U.S. Postal Service. It was supposed to have gotten here Sunday. Today's Tuesday. So I got it Monday. Anyway, picked it up, stuff rattling around. I was like, oh, this is bad. Something's broke. Got it in here, opened the box. Opened this box that it comes in, right? Neat little box. And everything inside was all here. But from the manufacturer, there was no packing, right? Nothing. Everything just rattling around loose in here. I was rather disappointed. All right, so the price point for this was $681. Scary, right? For a sander. Then I had to buy the sanding pads to go with it. Put me over $700. All right, so anyway, got that. So right out of the chute, I'm already skeptical that I just wasted my money, but I got it out, and today I've worked it really hard today. What you get, right? On-off switch. It's got a power button. It's variable speed, which I really like. And then the power cord for this is, I don't know, 8 or 10 feet long. I don't work on cars. If I was doing auto body, that'd be great. But I don't have to use an extension cord now. Okay. Then it comes with some grits in your book, and if you want to hang it on the wall, they give you this cool little bracket. Gee whiz, great. One of the things we talk about with the Mirka sander is its wonderful dust extraction. All right, comes with this nice little 1-inch diameter port, and then I'm going to guess proprietary notches on here for hooking up the hose. Well, you notice I've closed the box. It didn't come with a hose. Some items sold separately. Awesome. There's another $40. So ordered that yesterday, and I don't know when I'll get it. But anyway, that was disappointing. You're going to spend $700 on a sander. It ought to at least come with the damn hose. That's my thought. All right, so disappointment number 2. right? If you're only doing like one project or you're a weekend guy, this is probably going to be a stretch. I do this full time, and now that I've used it today, all day, I smack myself in the face for not having ordered one of these sooner. The variable speed, the padded sanding discs, I was amazed. It's very low compared to a traditional orbital sander. The vibration is much lower. It's a little bit quieter, although that doesn't matter because you're hooking it up to a shop vac, and mine sits here on the floor right now, which is loud, so I'm still wearing ear protection. Oh well. All right, so let me show you what the two projects or two parts of this project that I worked on and how versatile it is. Can't do that with the traditional orbital sander. It just chews up the edges. And then because of the lower vibration, I'm able to totally manipulate the piece with full control. One hand here and one hand on the piece, and I'm going to town. Can't do that with a traditional orbital sander. So pretty cool, right? I started on those back braces. I started at 180 grit and finished at 1200. They almost feel fake. They're so smooth. However, this thing was a dream, as I explained. Okay, so what about the chair? Let's take a look. So this seat was power carved to get this shape, right? The transition from long grain to end grain has always been really tough. All right, going at this with a traditional orbital sander or by hand just makes a mess of this end grain. I worked on this to 800 grit by hand, and I still had blemishes along this edge. It was really irritating because right here you've got to go with the grain, and this transition was a real challenge. With the Mirka, just knocked this right out. The Mirka with the soft padded sanding discs just polished this thing right out. Same on the back end. It's just amazing. Having just finished the seat, and I don't know if you noticed the sheen that was on there. There's no finish on this chair. That is raw wood. The transition was really easy. The end grain came out beautiful, and in minutes, not hours. I literally just I went from 800 to 1200 and did all of the seat in like 15 minutes. I was just dumbfounded. Okay, so again, the price point's kind of high. The manufacturer's packing in the box, total downer. All right, this thing's coming from Finland. So got on a boat, got on a truck, got on a boat, got in a truck, bounced around U.S. Postal Service. I get it. $700 sander just bouncing around the box. And then, like I said, no hose. So a couple of downers, but the performance of this, my hands were really tired today when I started from all the work I did yesterday and the day before. But using this low vibration, variable speed sander didn't bother me at all, not in the least. So would I recommend you buy one? If you do a lot of sanding, and I hate sanding, if you do a lot of sanding, after today, this was worth every penny. I don't know how I've lasted as long as I have without one of these. So I do recommend it. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I'm going to recommend this sander for anybody that does a lot of sanding. I wouldn't mind being sponsored. Mirka, if you're listening. I would like to have, they also have the other half of this system is a HEPA filter shop vac that goes along with this. It's supposed to make, zero dust. I'd like to try one of those out, but that'll set me back another $750. So we'll see. Right now, stick with the old handy shop vac and the noise, and it's doing okay. All right. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. We'll see you down the road.